Hello friends, welcome to Legal's Help. My name is Sudesh Kumar. In this lecture, we are going to talk about something very important. The Consumer Protection Act 1986 was an act of the Parliament of India, enacted in 24 December 1986 to protect the interest of consumers in India. It came into force from 1st July 1987. The aim of this act is to help safeguard the consumer from products that do not reach reasonable level of safety in the safety field. The Consumer Protection Act gives you the right to claim compensation against the producers of defective product if it caused damage, death or personal injury. Consumer Protection Act was replaced by the Consumer Protection Act 2019. The central government will set up a Central Consumer Protection Authority CCPA to promote, protect and enforce the rights of consumers. It will regulate matters related to violation of consumers' rights, unfair trade practices and misleading advertisements. The CCPA will have an investigation wing headed by a Director General which may conduct inquiry or investigation into such violations. The CCPA may impose a penalty on manufacturer or imprisonment for misleading or false advertisement. For manufacture, selling, storage, distribution or import of adulterated products, the penalties are: if injury is not caused to consumer, fine up to rupees 1 lakh with imprisonment up to 6 months. If injury is caused, fine up to rupees 3 lakh with imprisonment up to 1 year. If grievous hurt is caused, fine up to rupees 5 lakh with imprisonment up to 7 years. In case of death, fine of rupees 10 lakh or more with a minimum imprisonment 7 years extendable to imprisonment for life. To lodge a complaint, the consumer has to first register on the site. The online registration form has to be filed in with the name, email address and phone number of the complainant, and an user ID and password have to be created. A complaint can be filed against any registered brand or service provider. Consumer Protection Act 2019 includes some new provisions as to new definition of consumer, include online purchasing. Definition of goods include food. Provisions covering endorsement of goods and services. Definition of electronic service provider. Provision for product liability and product liability actions for goods and services, and wide definition of unfair trade practice. In conclusion, the Consumer Protection Act 2019, when compared with 1986 Act, shows that it provides for greater protection of consumer interest, taking into consideration the current age of digitization. The 2019 Act also deals with the Technological advancements in the industry provides for easier filing of complaints and also imposes strict liability on business, including endorses for violating the interest of the consumers. If you need more about further information, please write comments so we can come back to you. Thank you.